What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Stone Rolling by Rod Wave. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double eggplant punch your mouth into your face. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find a link for it in the video description, as well as a link to a free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. If you need either of those will both be in the video description once you get done. So this riff is pretty simple. You're just going to be alternate picking between your high E and your G string. Your G string with your thumb, you're just going to be picking that constantly throughout the entire riff. You'll just be changing the E string. The notes you're going to be using there are going to be 7, 10, 3, and you'll be hammering on to 5. And every now and then, we're going to sprinkle in the 8th fret on the B string. So to start off, the simplest way to think of it is just alternating between the E and the D, or the E and the G. And we're going to do that twice before switching to the 10th fret. So tenth fret. Here's where we're going to add in the 8th fret of the B. And that's just, you're going to pick G, B, E. And then you'll pick that open G again. So the rhythm is technically saying the same there. It feels faster because you're just adding an extra note, that 8th fret on the B in between, but it's the same thing as you're just adding then you'll be going back to the 7th fret on high E for 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the first half of the riff. I'm gonna play that slowly so you can see what that really looks like. So twice to 10, and again, you're still playing. It's essentially playing that twice as well. You're just adding that 8th fret in there. There. So that's the first half. Now let's go to the 3rd fret for 2. And then here we're going to add that 8th fret back in again the same way we did with the 10th fret. You're going to do that same exact picking pattern just with your index finger on the 7th fret now. So that's E, G, B, E, G. Back to your 3rd fret on the low E, hammer on to 5. And you're staying there for 4. 3, 4. That's the entire second half. So it looks like so I'm going to play through the entire riff super slowly so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the guitar tab or for the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.